Hi, this is Cody from Hartville Hardware and our Outdoor Power channel. Today we're going to talk about the new John Deere Load-N-Go. The new Load-N-Go is going to fit on the 120R loader and replace the existing straps on your drive over 60-inch decks. It will fit the 1023, the 1025R, and the 2025R. So the idea is to curl into it with your loader and use it to move around, to clean, and to store. So what you're going to do here is line up your loader right into your mower deck. Slide it into the upper straps. Start curling. The pins should drop into place. If not, you need to shake them a little bit with your loader joystick. Set it in neutral, put your parking brake in. You're going to set these pins. That way the motor deck doesn't fall off. And in this position is a great time to clean out underneath the mower deck, sharpen your blades, or transport it. The deck is very heavy. Thanks for stopping by today at Hartville Hardware's Outdoor Power channel and watching our video on the 120R loader, Load-N-Go. Until next time.